This tutorial will discuss several of the subject-specific research tools and strategies that are available at Forsyth Library. As you progress in your academic program, your classes will become more specialized to your major, and the research that you'll be asked to do will become more specific within your academic discipline. Especially when it comes to doing library research for upper division courses, why would you cast a wide research net when you have specific tools designed to help researchers in your field? Let's take a closer look at the tools available to you. In this tutorial, we'll talk about research databases, subject guides, professional associations and publications, and your library liaison. The first step in being more subject-specific is where you search for resources. Instead of using the Search Everything tool on the library homepage, click on Research Databases and select your major or discipline from the subject drop-down menu. The best bets are recommended resources for your subject area, but you should get to know each database on your subject area list so that you can make informed decisions of which tool is best for the information you're looking for. Along the side, you'll notice the contact information for your liaison librarian and also links to relevant subject and course guides. You can also find subject and course guides directly from the library homepage. These are miniature websites built by librarians to help guide you to appropriate resources in the particular subject area or for a particular course. You may notice professional associations and societies mentioned in these subject and course guides or mentioned by your professor. These associations have long-standing missions to educate and inform in their area of discipline. They often publish professional, scholarly journals that are well known and trusted in their field. They also have conferences to share the latest research, trends, and best practices. You can find many of those publications and resources through Forsyth Library. If you have questions about any of the subject-specific resources, you can always ask your library liaison. Library liaisons serve as a bridge connecting you and your department to appropriate services and resources in the library. They serve as a point of contact, provide specialized library instruction. They also provide one-on-one research help for students and faculty, and connect you to the library resources and services specific to your discipline. Brian, Jennifer, Heather, and Claire are the liaisons to the College of Arts, Humanities, and Social Sciences. Claire and Heather are the liaisons to the College of Business and Entrepreneurship. Robin is a liaison to the College of Education. Cindy and Mary Alice are the liaisons to the College of Health and Behavioral Sciences. Heather, Jennifer, and Cindy are the liaisons to the Worth College of Science, Technology, and Mathematics. If you have questions about which resources you should be using, ask a librarian using the following methods.